Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making Keda Nu Shaak. This is an easy to make, delicious recipe and features keda, which is bananas. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. For this recipe we will need 3 medium-sized bananas, 1 tablespoon of jaggery. You can also use sugar. Then 1 stem of finely chopped spring onion, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, a couple of curry leaves, a couple of bay leaves and cloves, and a small cinnamon stick. Then we've got a tomato puree made of 2 large tomatoes and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And of course, we have my mum's special spice box. So we've got a pan and we're just going to add in 2 tablespoons of oil. We're just going to heat this oil up a little bit. So the oil is nicely heated. We're going to add in our dry spices. So this is our bay leaves, cloves, cinnamon, and then we've also got our curry leaves and garlic. We're also going to add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a teaspoon of cumin seeds. This will all add a nice punch of flavour to our recipe today. So we're just going to give it a good mix and saute it for around 30 seconds. Then we're going to add in our tomato puree. We've just made this of 2 large tomatoes and a couple of herbs. We'll just let this cook for a couple of minutes. And whilst we let it do that, we're just going to take our 3 bananas and cut them into little pieces like this. So once you've cut your bananas, you'll start to see that the puree is bubbling and the oil is starting to separate from the mixture. So we're going to add in the rest of our spices. So we'll add in a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. This is half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and we're also going to add in our jaggery. This is going to give a nice balance of flavours. So we'll just give this a good mix. And then once all the spices are mixed well and we've got our base layer, we're going to add in our chopped bananas. And then we're going to mix this well, and we'll make sure that all of the bananas have a nice coat. So once you've gave it a good mix, we're going to add in a little water. This will help it cook and it will also thicken the base layer. We're just going to cook it for around 5 minutes on a medium flame. So as you can see, it's been around 5 minutes and the mixture started to bubble. The tomato puree is also starting to have a nice consistency. The bananas are also ready and they have been cooked nicely. Now it's time for plating. So we're just going to garnish this with some spring onion. You can also use coriander leaves, but the spring onion would give a nice texture, colour, and would also give a little crunch. And then finally we're going to finish it with some baby tomatoes. If you like this recipe, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!